welcome back. Still Thursday, the 27th of March. I am on Bonny Street and peeping through the bars of the car park just to see if I can get some good footage for you guys of Desmond doing what he does best. In my last video, it switched heads and he'd got his scoopy head on, and he's kind of scooped around and changed his little platform a little bit, and now he's gone back, taken his scooper off, and he's just put his chomper on. So hopefully we might see a little bit of chomping, although I'm really not feeling my position here. You can see a little bit of his head there, but I'm really only here for the ambience rather than the view as well, because when I filmed under here last time, people told me how great it seems to sound. We can see a bit of close-up Desmond action, but the view from the other side isn't great, people. It's really not good because of the water cannon and the blue netting and everything. You can't see anything, because when I came to start filming today, all that netting was in the way and the water cannon was absolutely soaking me. Maybe if I try looking for a different bar. So let's sneak out of this one, and I'm just going to move down here a tiny bit and see if I can get just past that pillar there. I've only moved about 2 feet, but here just might make a difference. Let me settle in again and find where Desmond's head is. All you can see there is the very end of his teeth. Look, it's not really a good view, is it? But maybe once he starts chomping away, we might get a bit of a view. Come on, Desmond, get chomping. If the car park roof wasn't in the way, this would be great, wouldn't it? If I could film from the car park bridge, from the actual where the Blackpool Central car park is in the bridge, and sort of zoom in. But I think here's the place to be if you want like the authentic noises and the rumbling and the ambience, isn't it? Especially if you're wearing headphones. We might just see a little bit of a dramatic crunchy collapse. Come on, Desmond, you can do it. You've got it. It's going, isn't it, folks? I mean, that was cool, wasn't it? It's got a lot more chomping to do, which you can see. I'm just changing my hand around a little bit because my hand aches when my wrist aches rather when I hold it too long. So I have to like switcheroo my hands and swap around. It's not the most comfortable perch to be on for sure. But I can take the discomfort to bring you guys a good video. Come on Desmond, give it a big pull. Give it a big nudge. Nudge, 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 nudge and move down. Well done Desmond. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now it's just going to have to chomp all that into dust, isn't he? There's definitely a lot of metal used in this building. When I was walking home the other day, I ended up just cutting away from somebody and a guy said to me, he said, I've been in building trade for years and there's so much metal, rebar, iron, steel, whatever you want to call it, used in this construction. He said that's way more than you'd usually get. But the people who are on Blackpool Street are walking down are going to be getting soaked because I was only there a couple of minutes and I got literally soaked. Get that in your teeth, give it a good old chew and a chomp and a bite. I mean Desmond is super strong. He's not the biggest, he's a big old guy, he's not the biggest digger I've seen, but he's definitely got a lot of power. He's just pulled that big piece of concrete flooring down and he's just flipped it over and now he's just like going to bite it in two or move it somewhere else. There you go, he's chomping it in half on the looks of it, and when he's got it in half he'll make short work of both half of his biscuit. Well done Desmond, good job mate. Very impressive chomping there, big guy. He's repositioning himself now. I think he's going to go down there and grab that from a different angle maybe. Or maybe he's going to switch heads again and put some more rubble on that other bit, I don't know. It seems to be going off. When he goes off down there, it's normally to switch heads. I think his heads are on this side. Let's go down here a bit, or his head's on there. Yeah, there, can we see? Yeah, he is indeed switching heads from the looks of it. So I think that's our full chomping video done, guys. Yeah, he's got his scooper back on now. So I am going to end this chomping video now. And I might stick around and film another one. I am feeling a little bit cramped and cold because it is quite chilly around here, even though it's a lovely warm day. But for now, he's switched heads around. Zoom right out again. Look how far we're zoomed in. I'm actually pretty close. It looks further away, but I'm closer than it looks in the camera. But he's now got his scooper back on. So for now, I'm going to end this video. And I'm going to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.
Like a 31 on the screen, Blackpool buzzes, machine scream.